Motivational quote for winning mindset selected by My Sales Job. The difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. By Vince Lombardi. Welcome to today's video on how to cultivate a winning mindset in sales. Today's quote, by Vince Lombardi, highlights the importance of willpower in achieving success. Willpower is a critical component of success in sales. Without it, even the most talented and knowledgeable salespeople may struggle to achieve their goals. Here are some practical tips and strategies that salespeople can use to cultivate willpower and achieve success. 1. Set clear priorities. Identify your most important tasks and prioritize them. Focus on completing those tasks before moving on to less important activities. 2. Avoid distractions. Minimize distractions by turning off notifications, avoiding social media during work hours, and setting aside specific times for checking email or other non-essential tasks. 3. Practice self-discipline. Develop good habits and routines that support productivity and success. This may include setting a regular schedule, staying organized, and avoiding procrastination. 4. Stay motivated. Stay motivated by setting achievable goals, tracking progress, and celebrating successes along the way. 5. Develop resilience. Cultivate resilience by learning from failures, staying positive, and practicing self-care to avoid burnout. In conclusion, willpower is a crucial element of success in sales. By setting clear priorities, avoiding distractions, practicing self-discipline, staying motivated, and developing resilience, salespeople can cultivate the willpower needed to achieve their goals. If you find this quote helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues in sales. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that will inspire and motivate salespeople like you. Thank you for viewing.